Uh, Dear students, we'll discuss about elliptical polarization as a part of Maxwell's equations module. Here, let's take two components of electric field vector, Ex and Ey. Obviously, Ex is along x-axis and Ey vector is along y-axis. And here, in this case, both Ex vector and Ey vector, they are unequal and they have a phase difference, a constant non-zero phase difference between them. If this is the case, then the resultant vector of Ex and Ey will trace a path which will be elliptical in nature. So if I take this as y-axis, x-axis and z-axis, and here I have the wave along the x-axis like this. So this is a wave along the component. I can call this as Ex vector. This is along. The other one, Ey is it is having a constant phase. It can be something like this. Okay, this one is vibrating perpendicular. Something like this. Yeah. So here Ex and Ey, they are unequal, and the second condition is these two components of the electric field vector, they have a non-zero constant phase difference. So if that is the case, the resultant vector, the tip of the resultant vector will trace an elliptical path, and you can see that if the phase difference between them particularly is pi by 2, then the resultant vector will trace, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and we have along x-axis this is Ex and this is y-axis. Here it's Ey, and you can see here the elliptical, the resultant vector of Ex and Ey, it will be tracing an elliptical so this is how the tip of the resultant wave, it traces an elliptical path, and this elliptical path, it will be along the coordinates x and y. If the phase difference between them is pi by 2, if at all the phase difference is other than pi by 2, then this particular elliptical, the resultant vector will trace an elliptical path, but making or inclining an angle to to the x and y axis. So this is what happens in case of elliptical polarization. And here We can write an expression or the equation like this: Ex by its amplitude is E1 whole square plus Ey by E2 whole square is equal to 1. And you can see here this equation is an equation of an ellipse. So this is about elliptical polarization. Let us see some of the applications of these polarizations. In AM radio broadcast, the radiated electromagnetic wave is linearly polarized with the electric field vector vertical to the ground, whereas here it is polarized light, polarized wave is used. Then in case of TV signals, they are horizontally polarized waves. So in FM broadcast, it is usually carried out using circularly polarized waves. In FM, they are using polarized waves. In radio communication, different information signals can be transmitted at the same frequency at orthogonal polarization. So we can send different signals with different types of polarizations, and here to increase the capacity of transmission, the signals are being transmitted in different types of polarization.